Hey guys, it's Alyssa from House Beautiful. I'm here at HomeGoods in Brooklyn today, and I am shopping to update my apartment for spring. I'm actually meeting up with interior designer and HomeGoods style expert Natalie Kraiem so that she can show me everything that I need to get.
Hi.
Hi Natalie.
How are you? I'm so excited.
To see you.
Yes, I'm so excited to show you around HomeGoods. It's one of my favorite stores.
So I'm really excited to get started. Is there a section you wanted to head back to first?
I will start by the furniture section, furniture and rugs, and then we can make our way around like pillows and lighting and other accessories.
Sounds good to me.
It's hard to like stop in.
I know, I'm looking at everything.
I just want to stop everywhere, but
we'll come back for it.
Yeah.
How much of your house would you say is like HomeGoods versus the more expensive higher end?
I really like to mix it up. I love coming here for accessories and lighting. Like, it's always fun to come here first and see what I can find, and then I can always like go and like spend a little more if necessary.
Okay.
Let's start here. I'm looking at these nightstands. They're the perfect size, I feel like, now.
Yeah, the store is actually really big. Do you think it makes sense to get both of them or just one of them?
I will get two. I like matching nightstands in general. It's only like $129. I feel like you can beat the price. They're very cute.
About styling some stuff on the bottom shelf, or is that like too much?
I will definitely like use like books or accessories. Like we can find some very nice table lamps maybe in the other section.
Okay.
I feel like this will be a great find.
I'm excited.
I actually love this beige chair. I feel like it could be very nice for your bedroom. Like if we can put it in a corner, it's always nice to have an accent chair to sit and relax. So like even like put your clothes there, like if you're lazy one day. All the fabrics that HomeGoods usually use, like they're like stain resistant, and I'm sure like we can even add some throw pillows to add color and texture.
I definitely like it. It's really comfortable. I just think, it just needs a little bit of color. So I know you like matching lamps, matching like nightstands. Do you like matching lamps?
You can really go either way. It's more like up to what you prefer. We can do some similar style lamps if you don't want them too much.
Okay.
Let's continue and just take a like overall look, and then we can always come back. It's always like a fun adventure.
I think I like a lot of like clean white.
Yeah.
And
white is always a good option.
like I don't really like that. That's a little too much.
Yeah, but also like if you like silver, I don't mind mixing metals. You know, silver and gold, people sometimes think like, oh, how am I gonna mix them?
I don't even think this is too silver. Okay.
And I like that they are not so big.
And they're only $30. So
oh my god, $30 is so good.
I could get
great.
2 for $60.
Yeah.
Should we grab those?
Yeah, let's gather them. These are very, very nice. Do you want to go get some like maybe accent mirrors?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go do that. Let's do it. Do you prefer full length or?
Definitely. I like to be able to see my whole outfit.
Oh, okay, great. So here they have some very nice ones.
I actually think I like the idea of mixing. So like for the full length mirror, maybe something clean bevel like this, but then above a dresser or above a desk.
Some interesting
like
frames.
To do my makeup. Is that too much mixing, do you think?
No, because one is like clean and classic, and the other one is the one that like really adds the accents.
Right. This is nice too, though. Just like the simple.
I love
white
these.
wood.
Yeah.
I like
that. Yeah, this one is really nice, and I feel like this size will be great for your bedroom.
Yeah.
So let's do it.
Okay.
All right, let's go do throw pillows and accessories.
Oh my god. Okay.
Yeah,
great.
we really need those now.
My favorite part, honestly.
I usually like to start like with the big furniture items and area rugs, but then like you get to choose all the accessories and whatever is gonna like set the tone and style of the bedroom.
It's hard for me because I'm indecisive, so I don't know if you have any tips for making a decision.
Definitely like think which colors you prefer, especially for a bedroom. You probably want something soothing and you know, you sleep there, you wake up there. Blues or purples, like some color that you're gonna feel at ease. Like I don't mind doing neutrals as long as you have texture. Like this pillow I feel like is a perfect example because even though it's neutral, you have like so much going on that it adds, you know, the spice that you're looking for.
I really liked this one, but I didn't know if it was too much, like it's very different texture.
Yeah, it's definitely not too
mix.
much. I think it's interesting. It's what makes the space unusual, like mixing all these different textures and patterns. You're staying within the same color scheme, so that it blends in. Like it's not that it's gonna clash with each other.
How many pillows would you say to balance it out?
I like to do like at least 3 or 4. Like it depends on the shape. Like if you want to do Euro shams or King shams, but like decorative pillows like this, I will do like 3 or 4, maybe like 2 matching and then 2 like different ones like this.
Okay, so let's go with these 2. I really like them.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, these are very, very cute.
And it's like a soft and the fringe is really nice.
Yeah, let's check the price. Wow, $30.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, amazing.
Wow, we might need a second cart.
That's a good thing. We can do some decorative accessories now.
Okay, awesome. So this is the part where I really need help. There's so much you could do with accessories.
Yeah.
Like there's globes, there's trays.
Let's say for your nightstand, I feel like a vase would be very nice. It's always good to have a vase, and then like maybe like a little box like for your jewelry, or
Oh, definitely.
these boxes are very cute.
Wow.
Do you like something like this?
Yeah, that's pretty. Is this like too matchy-matchy with the nightstands?
I rather do like a material that contrasts a little more. Like this will be a better option than this because the nightstands are wood, and this I think it's very nice.
Yeah, it's really pretty.
Yeah.
only
Yeah, $25. You can also like stack like, you know, under the nightstands. Like we can
Yes.
stack like a few boxes, like even 2 boxes, one on top of the other. Let's put this in the shopping cart, and I think we should choose like a vase for flowers.
Okay.
What do you think of that?
I don't hate it. It's a little bit bigger than anything I would choose myself, but now that I'm seeing it, I think it goes with the color scheme.
Yeah.
It has that like touch of gold. It's
Maybe like
cool.
for your dresser is nice, because for the nightstand it might be a little too big, but it's nice for your dresser.
Oh wow, look at the steel one.
Oh, I love that one.
Nice.
This is really, really nice too. Wow, maybe we should do color. Why don't we do this instead?
Yeah, I like
Yeah,
that.
so let's take it. The baskets are really nice.
Oh wow.
These are
Yeah.
cute. You can have like 1 or 2 baskets next to the chair. You can put like a throw inside. Like if you want to like, you know, keep a throw store, like this will be really nice.
Do you think the
1 or 2
baskets
throws.
should match or be different?
I like different heights, but maybe matching or like very similar in style. They don't have too much, but like definitely like stay within the same style.
Okay.
It's actually more interesting, I think, to do these two rather than the matching ones. Oh wow, this one is $29.99.
Perfect.
So that's great. Here we have some really nice throws. I think like we can choose like really any color you like, from pink, from greens, blues. I love the texture of this one, and I feel like it's very nice in color.
I do like this. Do you think this is too boring?
It's a little more like seasonal. Like if you want to do some spring throws, like, you know, one of these, and then we can keep that on the side.
We're gonna do this one.
Yeah.
And then have a second one to add color in this.
Yeah, I feel like we should keep this in one of your throws and baskets for now, and then for spring maybe we can do this one that adds beautiful
like
texture and
that.
color. Oh, look how pretty it looks together. I love the green of the vase with the throw and the pillow.
That's really cool.
Very pretty.
It's only 25.
This is great. Very pretty.
cool.
Yeah, I love this. I think we should do it. We'll do the 2 of them. All right, let's go see some area racks now. For bedrooms, I'd rather go like bigger with the rack.
Okay.
And show less floor. Like you can do an 8 by 10 or like something around that size for your room.
I don't hate this, but I don't know if it's too boring.
I like this. No, it's very pretty. I like because even though it's neutral in color, it has like a very interesting pattern. Let's go see this other side and then we'll come back for it.
What about this?
It's really nice, but I think it's small for the room unless we put it in front of your bed. But I'd rather go like bigger. I think the one we chose, which is this one.
All right, how do
Just
we get them to get that down?
Yeah, perfect.
So I just saw this from across the room and I'm really in love with it. I wanted to know what you think.
I think it's great. I will take it to your living room and use
Okay.
it as your coffee table. Like it's a great piece. Like you can use it as an ottoman coffee table, put books above. You can always put a tray also, which is some really nice ones before.
I love the idea of putting a tray on it.
Yeah, I think we should
cool.
take it.
Okay.
Yes. How is that?
I actually think it's nice. I just like really liked the jar, that's why I picked it up.
Yeah,
Do you think this goes with like...
for sure. Yeah, it's a neutral and it's interesting.
There's another one. Should I do matching of these at all? Or
I don't think matching.
No,
I will
matching
do
candles,
different.
okay.
Yeah. This one is also pretty. $7.99.
Oh, that's not bad.
How is good?
Oh, I really like that.
Yeah.
We should do
That's
that
the 2. Yeah, perfect.
Yeah.
For nightstands, I like to do like maybe like a 5 by 7, 1 or 2. You can do an 8 by 10 and a 5 by 7.
Okay. I definitely keep feeling attracted to that like
Yeah, it's like the
white
mirror that
shell.
we did.
And this reminds me of that box we picked.
Oh yeah, so we can do. Let's try to find like maybe 2 different ones.
Okay. We try to do color. Like this one.
Yeah, I saw that before. I happen to love it. $7.99.
$8.
Yeah, it's very good.
I should get like 10.
Let's do that, and then the small one that we got. Great.
It's not bad.
How much is this?
$12.99.
Oh, amazing.
It's like 13.
Okay, good. Okay, so we have 2 great ones.
Awesome.
I think your bedroom is like almost complete. I know if there's
know.
anything else you're looking for, but we have so much.
I'm really excited. Maybe we should go check all of this out and see how much we spend. in total, we spent $1,118.90.
That's amazing. I can't
know.
believe it. That's
We
so
literally got
good.
so much
Whole
stuff.
bedroom for $1,000. That's
Not
so
bad.
awesome with accessories and lighting and rugs and everything you can think of. How good is
Amazing.
that?
So
I'll
good to
see you later.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.